Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I'm come up with Akhi Masoor without coconut in Goan style. But yes, I'm saying Goan style because I'm going to add some potatoes and some few ingredients which is there at home. So please note down. And yes, you can say it is Indian style also. So but basically I'm saying Goan style because we do this way in our home, so that's why I said Goan style. So we need 1 cup of this measurement of Akhi Masoor, which I have showed you in my previous video. So Akhi Masoor is a whole Masoor Dal with skin. Okay, so 1 cup. Soak it overnight and next day you pressure cooker. Same, double the water of this. Cook it with salt for around 3 to 4 whistles and you will get this. Okay, then we need some coriander leaves, some curry leaves, around 4 to 5 flakes of garlic finely chopped. I have taken 3 tomatoes finely chopped, 2 boiled potatoes. Here are some 2 green chilies and 2 chopped onions. The other spices are like turmeric powder, coriander powder and chili powder and some cumin powder. So these are the ingredients which I'll be using. So let's start. Oil for frying. So let's add our oil. So I've taken around 2 tablespoons of oil and we'll put our, first we'll go curry leaves, garlic, chili, and let's fry this nicely. So I am not adding mustard seeds for this. No, I am adding cumin seeds, but I will be adding cumin powder. So after this, we'll add our onion to this and we'll fry this nicely. Fry this all nicely. So the onions are fried. So now we'll add our tomatoes. So now as these are frying, we'll add our dry spices, and it is normal masala. So chili powder, half teaspoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Let's fry this. Let the tomatoes become nicely soft. Now we'll add our cumin powder. So it's a homemade cumin powder. So 1 teaspoon. Little bit of hing. Now we have to add our salt to taste. If you are adding salt while boiling the dal, then please check your salt. So this is salt to taste according to how much you want. Till then you can chop the potatoes in cubes. So the tomatoes are nicely cooked. Now we'll add our potatoes. Like this. Now we'll add our cooked dal in this. Mix all nicely. And we will add water to this. Now if you want tonak, then you can keep this consistency. But if you are having for rice or something, then you can make little bit of, you can add little of water. So around 2 cups of water. Cook this for around 5 minutes and garnish it with coriander leaves. Check your salt and it's done, because everything is boiled. The dal is boiled, the potatoes are boiled, so it's done then. Perfect, salt is perfect, spiciness, everything is perfect. So I will add some in this and mix so that it gets coriander flavor, and some I will garnish it later. So we at home, we make like this only, Akhi Masoor without coconut. So I have showed you with coconut, and now this is without coconut. So hope you will enjoy this. So here is kasuri methi. So I will garnish it with kasuri methi also. Fenugreek leaf, dry fenugreek leaves. It gives nice aroma for this and a flavor. So here my Akhi Masoor without coconut is ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching this and watching my channel and recipe. Thank you all.